Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to merge data from two different sources in Power BI. So first I will show my two different sources. First one is Excel document. So emp.xlsx which contains 6 rows and 4 columns: ID, name, department and salary. Okay. Now I have one more source called text document. Oh, this is address text document. So it contains address ID, employee ID, city and country. Okay. Now I want to merge these two data from different sources, and I want to get the data of the city also in the employee table in employee test. So in the address table we have city and employee ID is the common in both these tables. I don't have any city column in the along with the employee details. I want to take this city from the address table which is in text document into this employee table details. By merging these two sources in Power BI, we can get the data. Okay, I am getting the data from the Excel workbook. So emp.xlsx is my text file, sorry, Excel file. Okay, and select this one, sheet 1. In sheet 1 I have these details, and directly go to transform data. Change this as data from Excel. Data from Excel. Okay. Now I want to load text data also. So we have text address.txt which is in text format. I want to load this also into Power BI. So for that we already loaded the Excel data. So in this you have see here one more button, new source, and select this source, and you can add text or CSV. Click on that text or CSV. Now expand this one. Select the text file. Okay, this is comma delimited sub data. So these are the 6 rows, and these are the address ID, employee ID, city, and country. So what is the data that is shown in the text document? The same data you can see here. Just click OK. Okay. So this is, I am changing this as data from text. Now we got data from Excel and we got data from text. Now I want to merge these two data, and I want to get the city name into this employee table. Okay, for that I am using merge queries. So here click on merge queries. It will merge two sources. See, this is the data from Excel. Okay, now select this one drop down button and select here data from text. Now this is the data from text, and click on this emp.id and also here emp.id. Now OK button should enable now. Just click OK. So here you can see we can use left outer join, or you can use as per your requirement. You can use full inner anything. Okay. Now here I am using left outer join. So what left outer join will do? It will take all rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. But here everything is matched. Okay. Just click OK. Now you can see. So this is the data from text. Okay. Data from text. So here I want to select the required column. See, if you select this one, okay, just uncheck the remaining columns and take the city alone. So it is getting extracting. Now see here, data from text dot city. So this is the source name, and dot city means this column is from this source. So now you can see. So employee ID, employee name, department, salary, and city. Actually, this city is from text document, and remaining four columns are in Excel sheet. So I want to use the merge transformations in the Power BI to merge both sources based on the common ID, employee ID, and I'm extracting this city from the text source. So this is how you know to merge the data from different sources in Power BI. Actually, it is similar like inner left join in traditional SQL. Okay, merge or merge join in SSIS. So in these two Microsoft products also we can use the inner join, left join, and merge join in SSIS. So like this in Power BI also we can merge the data from the two different sources, and by applying this merge queries you can join the two tables and get the required column into the table. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.